YouTube Ghana Hype.
So you upon 12. Kumasi area country. That 12 so be di 6 to 12. Sa so ne upon TV president kama so mic. But obi ba so no be ebi di stream be room. Ese achieve before ese before Derby. Eso le man yin bobo mo buy quarters etifie. But one thing that I'm supposed to be out here saying is in Ghana here, no one is above the law. And it is never a news. So enemies, hype me to when Ghana police call me, I can never say no. I'm not bigger than the laws of this country. Those who are happy that before has been arrested, am I bigger than the law of this country? Fine. How the news pop up? But the show be at us in a very juicy, nice manner. We are on TV soon. So be a scar. I'm telling you on authority. America, Asia, UK, Ghana, South Africa, Togo, Benin, Zimbabwe. Anybody or ban you are not above your country law. And it does not stop you to do what you have been assigned to do. But our force would never bontain, you're going to go for your coaching, your uncle for baby. That one is force. But I can never turn off Ghana police invitation. I'm not bigger than Ghana law. So go for American. When soon check Ghana Bravo, it didn't tell that no big casa, Grand Corredian, Yakonia to TV so. Mkasatra ne omurga na mraso so waduma mu panino omurga na mraso ochiaga na posifo obia MTT for mochia obia but obia oba APC bia no ofo wo ne wo chira wo hoda bia mamo APC for amobo amongo bu tamasore na sore no mungo fie moni aji madofo wo Kumasi Volta Accra Cape Coast group bia me di mobo wo hwe me YouTube abochie awusu se yesi me damu no ko asore no ahwere mpaboa mini ayo because sorry me the papa bi so na announce no
I love you honey mama so phone na dey sister I want to do that
amen ndi na mo serious note maybe I will be cousin and so for no Oscar or blessed makachiro plan Ghana sikani bia no oburu Ghana maraso. Yes, Timifa Konya Weibo IGP the boys Accra Regional Command Tema Obia. This next time when you're making your auto answers, give respect to Ghana police. From day one I have been back as you so the starting in ministry of Kumasi. Go to Ashanti region and ask them whether or not for the as you respect police. They will tell you say yes, the guy have respect for police. And you know, when you wake up and they say I've been arrested, it's no news. But I've never been I've never been arrested. Young people are happy, jubilating their enemies. So, and number two, I respond every day as I'm sitting here with you now to any police invitation. So when Ghana police invite me, I have to go. Nti obi a wo ba sorry anopa munsu boboabo mo say ye kona ese before them there be Ghana man pan go betin de natum Ghana man pan ai Nelson Mandela kasiye pa president South Africa bere wadi yankopon wo ne de eno ni ne de nti anopa ya nkofo so ese me da people nyina akwa popular akwa popular enti madofo youth nam do se kasa kakra kire mo always live a better life and live a good life, exemplary life. Make us a Ghana Police Service in Toronto. You because Mama Biati as you to maintain you are not above the law. Oh, ministers of state, or you know, or Tisokwa down. Yes. I said, two be awful. The only go did not cause always coming. Omurgana Mraso. The preaching assembly was sorry them, but you are Mwamrano. Obi Amrokoto so, a free bishop. From bishops, everybody see prof. Nobody. Indeed, so that to any. Let's say police achieve over for. Why would I be in handcuffs? Have I killed somebody? No. What to any as police are inviting me? Nation check Anambra. Osama can repeat you, Nation can repeat it. If you blame you to be ano. And the Quran also solution to say, hey, sir, we have no for me to meet you. Aye, you're to match me. The don't see job until what for second would go to be what you do to baby do we do no tramod cocaine sachra. No one is above the law. A cow is part of life. Yes, we go arrested no. Aye, umai echino. Njano pa asoro kase ekoso. Asoro kase kasipa no. Kuma se de 612 no. Ebekoso. Na baby amakoso akase. So wo mamu na uni IGP papa. Na uni regional commanders papa. Oman no echia. I can boldly say Ghana society the opposite for papa. Our mother Maria Juma. The opposite for papa. To be at the on IGP mommy. Say Omonia Juma, Oba Enche, Obo Juma. And Isham, only team the men. Accra Regional Police Command on Chiano. Million century for you as already Islam. God bless you all. What I was saying is that you are there to lead. You are there to do a wake up calls. Yes, and when I can say Accra TV show, when you can say me, when you are my brother as a journalist, and when I go wrong, I'm not bigger for you to call me and tell me, say, before here. It didn't go well. If you don't hate me, adeba kwa kakrebi America no be ate no wan se no we dey yire kura na wo fie e na ebufu aba fa shirt pie enkobo no obo no show no to fom sesi a o billions kura o de jaho ai ya so na preach Bible na wie aka no kura kasa asore no beka ukoka so ya antichrist e se church nkare ko bi tin se ya chere we no bofo si a chime si enchime ti twini Kenya news cause onim say abuche unam street kura itimi he onante ene bag bi e bochi bo suspect to be invited or to be arrested it's normal. Police, BNI, national security, they can call you at any time that they want to ask you questions. Be who? 50 cent million Michael Jackson munina the Lord don't know your billions o emerano eni with trillions enti me sorry ma as I'm talking to you they are sorry the cost but for people to believe me any those who believe me no say bad we have a good police in Ghana now say obi allegedly obi one Kasua police from Umia obi be mutu one suspected guy no also mo chire now anche me ankasa me na tumfo sampo yin but tese bi ku no ya chi no Ghana police now is doing well timi yenu ma ya bobo bra ya tikuru mu a edi sika ya japade ya tia no ebe ho za ya da na ya da enti no ento you to net ho hia me pa o se me better na be clear say me fie ye wo kan obi ati say ho kwa be hia me. But I want everybody to learn because you know I'm a teacher and millions are following me. Be a raso. Yes. Ghana Police Way program, I'm going to invite you on program platform so. But the Hokra and make on now, but the car boy do any get election car. Actually, to question me. If you do no papa is kani and the way you kakra to and then assembly see bar wafa toa kiki no I say production no to was and emra no so mbre who so gani a odem who obi a serve aban mo wi a odem who obi a ntwa to so keke kura it ahwe ni ani aduro November pa ma ni opportunity and the class mo atwa ni say November we and no person can cast a shot. I am in your advice. I saw the courses they say I will IPT. Intermediate. What I can say is IGP be about to be able to home. But the current one I'll teach you, Ghana is safe. Accra region, so Munda. Accra regional police commander, your war Accra Siciano, and then the crime, and then the Jupo, Munda. Because beyond way betting embarrassing and say Mukuma has issue. Until me for Ghana police, the catch up and say, Reverend above for see. Sisi and Cassette Ghana had here. The police is safe. Many politics. They cannot correct. And will be a war or two or see and a police for and there will be a cigar to Marco Jibai only the young Canasem is insult. Will be a police in it. Or me or your papa because of some more trust in Zamumekino looks more disrespect and we will not sit down in this country and accept that some small boys need to say such things. What you say they are doing their work and the will feel war Accra Kumasi time I will TV show when the opportunity no. Why quite make us say don't show my life. I'm not bigger than the laws of this country. President Gwetime and Nibeji pass ahead. Also for the one say yes. I don't know maybe I would president convoy about me parking chain. Do you need maybe and Jajino? May drive Reverend above for me or don't power. The ministry is big. Because it's a permanent drop me over common a feeling. But in Shiasa the man penny convoy bar Jesus Christ any film person a president convoy in the packet because I'm rather say I should park or copper the road become mine. If you want to man ambulance kora ba elipa demu we know that so we be demu ambulance what we just a packet. What you say it's a lack of knowledge my people perished but now we are all learning. It is never a news. It is never a news. And as I'm sitting here, because I say as a president is in the first house, I will go. Because I am law-abiding citizen. I respect the laws of this country. We are targeting to minute to say the same me. President Kuya won't tell us okay. So do that and Raswa, one of the bread of Masi and Brano, ɛde na ayɛ adwuma nti mesrɛ mepa wakyerɛ meyɛ fie a mebɛkɔ asɔre a the next 30 minutes mɛwɔ asɔre fie aprikyi ne asan asa wo sɛ wɔde no APC ɛkai ging thunder fire so nowadays I'm talking to a day home atari ya na mɛkɔ asɔre nso bɔ for the simple life nti no wode ase ɔmo te ɛyɛ mo dɛ ɛmu hyira mo nso ɔmo te ya mo nsu mo nim koko ɔmo ɛnɛ kora ɔmo ama nkɔfo anto koko nso ma di koko afɛpɛ o nti it's good, it's very good, the good and the bad you have to blend them and live and survive in life. But I will repeat myself the last time. And no be a team. So your father can become a minister. You can be a son or a daughter of a president. But we are not bigger than the laws of this country. Number last. Almost one more friend. Ampa. Went to the phone can patrol. And your video that than the a current video. What else here? We not police house. Me quite sorry. And that will be also will be our report to be our person. So no. We not Ghana police PRO. Be a release Umusa Ghana police. Me you are Emma Ghana police almost spokesperson. They have their PRO. Open information. We also call Ghana police website at the home. You know, say the transfer. Ghana police. Me know massive. We can say so for more there. Would you be out from coming in sir? And I say yes I remember. Did you have the PRO of Ghana? Region, district, care will be. And more PRO. Whatever report that you need, you call them before you make your news. It's immediate to me as a mayor Mituka, Namadana Mansoria, Ghana and police and the law. Only being told to us that the guy has preached for the law. Everybody must respect. Total driver, Ukika, police in Gina. And you see, I know I'm on a tower. Wait a minute. Okrama yofie enso ko tia bi asope obekaw ewura nipa mu a crime rate be ko form o man nim ai police ni na ojina won ni ono ne mra no emra na yekata tumi a yetintima to ho ene di ama no a law enforcement agent nti enye ni suda obi ko aton ni ama wo tire kwa if you get as a honey, you see me, you know, you think you're going to be a call. Let me patch him. I'm in coming home, show. I'm in coming home, I say. We are all one. We are all human beings. And other woman, we not here. I saw a costume. And I saw a cashier. Change to be up information on contact Ghana police about me. And I'm going to answer. Can you hear me now? Hey, I'm on for myself. We have to champagne 7. Pop. Oh, then you come and come champagne. You be I come to be champagne. Hey. Ewa kwa miji na boya na ase ya saa say wow yes yani amasa hunya mwe munyam ndi aka church mako VIP tema protocol Kumasi. I am alive, I am home, I am strong here. Yemfa futuo no we tun no bi kwa ko share pipe ano giri efa ba kete mo no oboasum ko kache police o de ba kete mo no pe what do for menye owia dem akotu bi da oyere so emfase gan wono oba ne pawon ko na wonche ofiri wonche sorry enko ko do bi nche ko nya ochi emfase gan wono opa ye koko prisons akotieti ensem ebi onu no ho se ne ba ma amo akase si ye ma mo anfa no opa ko wonu mo bi fa enti yelinim sa ne ma no yemu bi be fa atu ho so e kasa e koyi na mutie ye tiase ya ye pick ni ewe no we advise the car we be what you are we be insurance we are me you e free tirim sa ye be ma emra no ni die wonu be koso o ti ase Dini sa metia ya se makumu nipa ya baka se me reverend obofo nti Nko na international criminal court oyere president kurati mbisi so dikuru mu ntokwasi na ya de record the Hague 20 si ajeli president for that esi mampanyo a okura unu so so chawe o nti betufu betutu ahofo afutu ele bere omo wa buchire o Ghana o nkan Kumasi afutu amafa no enwemu ye mo so me radio stations amo peke me level obofo e kwa asori e Kumasi kosi ada so mesa ya asori e Kumasi Monday mayor council whatever TV area da TV so na chimota kase paano ya so asoro no kase paano ababaso Wednesday so ye tema yesi November musu de 31st watch out so ye Jubilee Park yasa esa be winter opposite nse mattress yaban ti owa eba enye exercise kakra no pay ya yeah oh chest out abazanikan so I'm alive today. It's by your grace. I woke up this morning. Adi koko so. Enti onipa biara opama sam na otie ni na odome no. Nankoponti me ofie. Edi bi ase de na edi bi ya ne bresam. Onipa biara we ni pati triu no. Ni suba ben kasama baby ani nhyira ose akofa free dia yense ntwire ni papa bia otimi nso a okam se de baby o pick free anything until you say the police achime how we call the police they will tell you the name that itu am kada say Ghana police PRO until asema me de brave bia no awari insta driver for driver Kumasi atie me was Sweet FM and mo no nko no so kwa asori a mo tie me ene mo hwe me e wo TV so ene mo hwe me o cash mo tie me o cash FM e wo takrade no so tie me o cash FM e wo sunyane na mo so mo TV mo hwe me o Sweet ene cash reverend obofoni me yiri ko mu akokare for aso eni asof maami siare kunu kokubofo aka Ankwao Sebisibo latest launching iron boy the champion iron I'm you look at cry obisi akwa we fa na hotel no na me want to I love you, I respect you, I need you, treat me as your brother. And quickly obi a wo fie bia oba Kumasi asoro no eno ba travel to ɛhɔ man tɛntɛm ɛhɔ man tɛm gyimi da mo ase ma dɔfoɔ matiefoɔ ɛne ɔmo a me ho asɛm da ma kɔma mu. Information that came out, the details is there, but I am here with the Dow funeral and TV, free TV show, and a meeting, and I'm calling London so atomic. You would war if you are number die. Medawa madasa mwana sofa meda binchen ena unyane hera ono sunyane enso udani jabe eba hosre yami shao enso biaye Komasu TV big ups Komasu TV big ups. God bless you. God bless you, all the MCR. God bless you, Mr. Ben. God bless you, Chassis. Yo, I contact Chassis. Bismarck, I want internet to plug you. God bless you. As you have never answer. Daddy loves you. Junior, I love you. APC, I love you. I salute you. Ghana, I salute Ghana. Bim Nation. SM for life. Ayaki Kri, Ayaki Rika. Eretsin. Episa. Ajusin. All right, I'm out. Bye-bye. I'm going to church. I'm late. See you there. Bye.